Hello, welcome back. Today I'm sharing a recipe from my binder, Scottish tea bread. In a bowl, combine 2/3 a cup of currants or dried cranberries. I'm finishing up my bag of currants that I purchased for meadow rye bread. If you haven't seen it, check it out. 3/4 a cup of raisins, I use jumbo. 3/4 a cup of golden raisins or sultanas. 12 ounces of hot, strong black tea, and 1 1/4 cups of sugar. There are 2 optional ingredients, 1 strong whiskey and 2 orange juice. I have orange flavored whiskey, so I will use that. Don't worry, the alcohol will bake out and you'll have a nice flavor for your bread. Let this sit for at least 6 hours, but preferably overnight. The following day, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In a large mixing bowl, combine 3 cups of flour and a tablespoon of baking powder. Mix your soaked raisins with 2 beaten eggs or egg whites. Add the liquids to the flour and mix until just combined. Pour into a 9x5 loaf pan that has been buttered and floured, or you could use a silicone mold and not have to worry about flouring or buttering your loaf. You could also use a smaller loaf, but make sure you cut the baking time in half if you do. Loosely tent with foil, I forgot to film that, and bake for 75 to 80 minutes until the temperature is 190 degrees Fahrenheit or a toothpick comes out clean. Let the loaf cool for 15 minutes before removing from the pan to cool completely. Enjoy with a hot cup of tea. From my kitchen to yours, Scottish tea bread. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell to stay up to date on my cooking adventures. Thanks for watching. See you next time.